One we're going to learn how to put the heels down with the Battement Tendu, which is preparation again, 1, head, 2, and open. So you're going to go tendu to the side, and you're going to push the heel down, tendu, and close first position, 1. So you want to practice first in the first position, good, and then you're going to do it same thing, tendu to the side, and close to the 5th position, front, again, 1, heel down, tendu, close 5th position. Again, they're important when you're closing the leg that you're not doing a circle or letting the heel. You have to keep it rotated whole time when you're closing the 5th position, okay? Again, tendu to the side, rolls 1, tendu, close 5th. Now you're going to do it pretty much same thing, the only thing you're going to do with that plié. So first position, now you're going to go tendu to the second, you're going to go plié, 1, tendu, close first, goes 1, plié, tendu, close. In the level 1, we don't do anything with the arm, we just keep the arm. In the later levels, you're going to engage with your head and arm and do the port de bras. But it's very important to keep those hips and shoulders placed when your leg is go again, tendu 1, heel, keeping it 1 and 2. And same thing you're going to do in the 5th position. Goes 1, 2, tendu, close 5th, 1, plié. Very important when you guys do plié. That knee does not go here. You keep that knee open. Align with your hip. Tendu 1, push, close. Okay? So that's one kind of like a push exercises from first position and from the 5th position with the heel down. Part of the syllabus you need to teach is, or if you're a teacher or if you're a student trying to learn it, is passe par terre, which is arm is going to go again. Preparation 1, and open head. Leg is going to go tendu front, and you're going to pass through the first position back. Again to the front and back. Again, we don't want to move with the hips. We want to stay very tall on the leg, and foot really has to go through the first position. Don't even stop and brush forward. Goes 1 again and back. And head shifts every time when you go 1, back, brush back. So that's your passe par terre for your Battement Tendu exercises.